In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to get a Google Cloud API key. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to console.cloud.google.com. From here it should look something like this. Then from here you will simply need to log into your Google account like you usually would. Then from here, you'll get into the Cloud Hub over here. Now from here, you'll need to go over to where it says My Project over here, and then you'll need to choose the specific project that you want your Google Cloud API key for. If you don't see one already here, then you'll just need to click New Project over here, and then create a project. Once from here, you'll need to go over to the dashboard again, and from here, you'll need to go over to this burger icon called Navigation Menu. Once you get inside of here, you'll need to go down to the Products page, and go down to APIs and Services. Once you're inside of here, you'll need to go down to Credentials, and then from here, this page should be popping up. Now from here, you'll be able to see all of your active API keys, OAuth 2.0 client IDs, and server accounts. If you don't see any of these ones over here, specifically the API key, then from here, you'll simply need to go up to where it says Credentials over here, and then create a new credential. Once from here, you'll need to click on it and click API key. Once from here, you can see that it create API key where you can name it. You can choose the specific name that you want to give it. You can add whether or not it should be authenticate API key calls through a service account. And if you click on that, you can choose your service account if you want to do that. Or you can go down to restrict your key to reduce security risk, where you can add the application restrictions for the non-websites, IP address, and so on and so forth. You can also add an API restriction if you want to do that. But once from here, you'll simply need to click Create. And then from here, you'll automatically be shown the API key that your console has. From here, you can see your API key right here that you can then copy to clipboard, and you can close it down there. You can also see over here in API keys that it will be visible right here. And if you go over to Actions, you'll see Show Key right here. So that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!